This is the Beast Mode Developments YouTube channel, so welcome.
What can I use my gun?
We're going to be fitting this new wishbone bracket to the subframe we're going to be using for the company Beast Mode Caddy. So I'm going to unpackage this real quickly and then we're going to get building. Put this subframe back together, swap the steering rack from the Audi TT over onto the subframe I'm going to be using, get it up on the car, on the van should I say. Bolt the wishbones back on, the alley wishbones, and then we're going to get this down and roll it out, give it a clean up in the engine bay underneath and all of that. So yeah, let's get moving. Let's get moving, baby. Jimmy on a beat, boy. Right, so that didn't quite go to plan. I was trying to use the Audi TT anti-roll bar, but it won't fit on because the subframes are slightly different at the front. So I will be using my original Caddy one. However, that's not going to go back on right now because I will have it cleaned up, powder coated, so that it's like new. So what I'm going to do, just carry on. Steering rack's going to go on, I'm going to bolt the rest of it up, throw it on, get it out. Right, so after that little hiccup, I have the wishbones bolted back on, wishbone mounts are on, wishbone brackets are on. So what we're going to do is we're going to get this on a jack and get it up onto the van. Guys, the cool thing I've just realized about these it's not even the wishbones, it's the bottom ball joints on the hub of the Audi. They allow a little bit of camber adjustment. It won't be a major amount because actually, do you know what, I think it might be quite a lot, to be fair. But yeah, you get the drift anyway. It's the actual bottom ball joints. If I can get these a little bit higher up for you, you can see the bottom ball joints, right? They're elongated, so they allow, you know, a nice bit of what's the word I'm looking for? I don't know. Adjustment. That's the word. Adjustment. So I'm now going to put the track rod ends in, connect up the steering, throw the wheels back on, and then this can go down and outside and give it a clean up. Right, so I'm going to use traffic film remover and spray up the whole of the engine bay, get it nice and wet, allow it to you know, eat into some of the dirt and grime for a bit, and then I'm going to use the jet wash to jet wash it off. Not too bothered about the fuse box and stuff because there's still quite a lot of stuff that is going to be changed on this van. Just want to get in all the little bits just to clean it up as best as possible, really. Also, you know, I don't want any dirt, oil, grease on it, as it is going to be changing color. It's not going to be staying silver, so need to get all of this dirt and grime off so that the paint can stick to it. So here we are, it's all cleaned up, the engine bay. It's sitting ridiculously high at the moment because there's no engine, but yeah, it's looking very clean and looks pretty good on the Audi wheels. They're not going to stay on there, they are going to get changed up, but I'm going to roll this back inside now. Let's get this van back inside. Nice one. Lovely.